Got lovers or haters, it's a Transit T125, sorry, a 125 T350, 3.5 ton. And there's Jenny, she's playing. Yeah, it's part converted, but very, very badly. So yeah, it's all coming out. Yeah, so we've got, well, here's a little sketch we've done. However, there must be 50 of those on our table. Say hello, Jenny.
Hi. I'm just working out the bed.
Oh, she's trying to work out the bed. Right, yeah, it's not exactly the cleanest van in the world. There's not a dent there, I can get that one out. Windows are awful, we'll get rid of those. It has got fixings up here. Hopefully, they'll marry up to my awning I've got. We will see. Yeah, new bumper on the back corner there. I think we definitely need a new step. It's got a tow bar and the electrics. Yeah, I think they're screwed. Yeah, new electrics, new bumper stop, and then we can tow the caravan. But you remember, think bike, and probably a new badge as well because that is hanging. This side's not too bad. The paintwork's a bit shabby. It's had a scrape or two over the years, but it's not a van. And then more of these crappy windows. A vent there, a crappy window. The driver's door handle I've managed to break, so I've kind of bodged it. And no, Jenny's, she's only locked the boot, so we can't get in there. But yeah, it's a Transit Mark 6. It's a bloody good wash. And there's Jenny. Oh, she's reached over. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, Transit Mark 6. Pretty standard. I'm quite pleased. I've got captain's chair. I've got seats, an armrest. We've got a Jenny in the back. And we've got a caravan there.
Up there?
I'm being told to come around up there.
Have you done up there?
No, not yet.
You've done inside.
Right, so yeah, so it's there. You can see there's our trusty Land Rover we normally use. Don't look at the paintwork on the house, it needs redoing. And the crap in the trailer we're on the clear out. Yeah, and there are these seats fitted in the front that are coming out because they're not approved. They're
not suitable.
Then they're just literally bodged to the floor. So yeah, so that's got to be sorted out. And then obviously we've got the overcab storage, which at the moment is pretty lousy. But we'll work something out. One good thing is when I kind of peel this back here, you can see there is some Celotex behind there. We don't know how much until we strip it all off, but there is some Celotex. So hopefully that will save us a couple of quid. There is a bed fitted, which isn't the best. So I think that mattress is going to be going for the tip in a minute. But and the bed's slightly higher than we'd like. So yeah, we'll sort that out. Right, see you in a bit. Bye. Are we getting rid of the children?
The kids want to come with us.
No, that's not what you said a moment ago when I wasn't recording.
I said, either we get rid of the kids, don't take them, just do the camper van for us two, or we do it with the kids, because they really would like to come. You know what they're like. They want to do everything we do.
Ooh, 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 they want to be like you. Ooh, sorry. You're copyrighted now on my singing. Right, so we are thinking,
very
and I've now you're on follow mode, so I can't turn the camera in. Hang on, if I take it like that, hang on, is it still going to try and follow you? Yeah, you're there. Right, do you want to show me your tape on the walls and things?
Well, we got
Right. So we're thinking
of putting bunk beds.
A bunk bed, which, God, I'm useless with this thing.
I know.
So basically, the top bunk will be there.
Yeah, and the bottom bunk is going to be here, and it's going to be a seat.
Which will then, when we lower the bed, because at the moment that's way too high because we can't get on and off it.
No.
When we lower the bed, we'll create a really large L-shaped lounge. We're then going to take this seat. Well, actually, we're not. We're going to get rid of that seat.
And get another one.
We then get another seat.
2 seats.
Or a double seat as opposed to a triple. Which we can turn around.
Towards the back.
Fit the proper spreaders, etc. So it's properly safe and safe belted. And have it the other way around. Which will then give us space here to put a table.
And then on
over
this
here,
side, when the bed's pushed over a bit,
the bed's got to move back. The bed can move back nearly a foot. So then that will, as you can see my beer, that will then give us
just enough space to have a cooking area.
To have 1.3 metre of kitchen space if we encroach slightly in the doorway. Which, yeah, that could work.
I know it don't mean much at the moment, but I bet you we'll soon change it again a little bit.
Oh, yeah, of course. I mean, at the moment, we've got these lovely lights fitted here. Oh, they're amazing. They've already fell off twice. And the connections are amazing. The way they clipped them up. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, held up by Conti blocks. So, yeah, I've got a funny feeling, bearing in mind I'm an electrician, that all of this is going to get ripped out. Yeah, it's lovely wiring. It's fantastic. Yeah, so that's all coming out. We've already got a 3 kilowatt inverter. We haven't decided what solar we're using yet. And, you know, I'll try and give you a picture of Jenny because she's looking really confused while I'm saying that.
Yeah, I was actually.
Yeah.
But
you just don't care, do you?
The toilet's
as long as it works.
The toilet's going under the bed.
We're going to have a porta potty, which hopefully, no, I thought it was going at the end of the cupboard here, the end of the kitchen.
It depends how much room we got for water,
hopefully,
and gas and everything.
The toilet will slide out of that in there, and then we'll put some sort of curtain round because the kids are prudes. And then here we will end up with a nice big garage, and then in the centre there will be a pull-out section for our compressor cool box.
Oh yes, forgot about the cool box.
She forgot about that bit.
I did.
But yeah, and then obviously if I pan round, you could excuse the trailer. We are having a clear out. As you can see, the overhead is pretty lousy. Yeah. So that's all going to be ripped out. We keep telling the kids that we're going to turn that into their bed, but I don't think we will. I think that's going to be a storage cupboard.
Oh, I think one of my grandchildren would love to sleep up there.
Which one?
Charlie.
No, she said she wants Archie up there.
Oh, she wants Archie up there.
Yeah, because Archie'd love it, and to be fair, he would. But yeah, so that's all going to be ripped out. And I don't know if any of you know, but I run a scrap business, and I have today scrapped a car that's got a lovely double-din Sony head unit with remote control. So we've got to put speakers in here, and then with a bit of jiggery-pokery on the wiring, we can control that from the back and have sounds, which of course is important. And I'm going the wrong way. And apart from that, I think we're done for tonight.
Yeah, I think we'll leave you for tonight, and when we do take the bed down or take the seats out, we'll just video it. All right?
The next video will be the strip out, which hopefully will be in the next sort of day or two. Jenny's looking scared.
No, I'm not looking scared. I'm just in agony at the moment.
Yeah,
my leg hurts.
We're both in agony. If you don't know, we are both disabled, so we are doing this to prove that disabled doesn't mean you can't do something. Just makes it a bit bloody harder.
And it takes twice as long.
Oh, and the rest. But we will get there. We will not be beaten. Anyway, guys, bit of a crap video, but hey-ho. We'll see you all later. Bye.
Jen and Ma on tour. Bye.
I forgot. You gotta like, comment, and subscribe. Come on, Jen. Tell them, Jen.
Oh, sorry. You gotta like, comment, and subscribe, please.
Weirdo.